No. No. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aarati. In today's video, I'll be talking to you guys all about lip plumpers. Now, I have two different lip plumpers with me today and I wanted to put them to the test. So, let's get started. The first lip plumper that I have is our infamous, the beautiful Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I am going to show you guys a close-up. So, Too Faced is very famous for this product and I've been using this for a while now and I do know what my impressions and my thoughts are. But I wanted to try it on screen so that you guys can see the difference. The other product that I have is from the lip plumping section is the e.l.f.'s lip plumping gloss. Now the e.l.f.'s lip plumping gloss, I've been using it for about a month and a half or so. So I do know, so personally I do know what they do perform. But I am going to go ahead and show you guys a close-up and tell you guys a wear test or something like that so that you guys can actually understand how it goes. So I have both of my lip plumpers right here. I have lip balm, so I'm going to remove my lip balm. I just did my full face of makeup and I love it. So let me clean up my lips. Alright, I am gonna zoom you guys in. Okay. So I did clean out my lips. So this is how my natural lips look like. I have a very bad habit of biting my lips in the winters. So my lips are a little damaged and that's why my Laneige comes into picture. So yeah, these are my natural lips. I will, however, try two different lip products. The first one I'm going to try is e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. And I am in the shade Mocha Twisted. Now the first product that I'm going to try is from e.l.f. Now this is their lip plumping gloss and they have multiple shades. This is like the tinted gloss kind of a thing. And I have it in the shade Mocha Twisted. This is how it looks like. It's so much nearer to my natural nude shade. So yeah, and this retails for 800 rupees, but I do think I got it for a cheaper price. I will leave the link to all these products in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to try using this, give you guys an overview, compare it with my natural lips, and then we will come to the impressions. So let's go. I really like how beautiful, like I'm going to show you guys a close-up. Look how pretty the wand is. It's such transparent with just this particular shade. I love it so much. It's so pretty, it's so beautiful, and it looks super stunning as well. It has an angled tip kind of a way. So I'm going to apply this on my lips. My lips have nothing, so let's see. So even though this is a gloss and you can apply it with another lipstick, I want to go ahead and apply it as is because I want to give this a complete justice to the product. So I'm just going to use it as a normal lip gloss. Alright, I'm done with the application of the lip gloss. This is the e.l.f.'s one. And I do see it is very sticky. So it is a very sticky. Like you guys can see, I'm going to try showing you guys a close-up. But yeah, can you guys see that? Can you guys hear that pop? So it is very sticky and I have to like literally push it inside. If I don't give it the enough pressure, like look, if I just do this, it's gonna come up. So that is how sticky it is. But yeah, how now? Ooh, yeah. Now I feel like a little tingling sensation on my lips. So I'm gonna give this a good 5 to 10 minutes and come back to you guys to show how it looks. But I really like the shade. Look at this color. It's such a pretty color. It goes with my eye makeup as well. If I wanted to like nude, nude it down or calm it down. But yeah, this is right after applying one layer, one entire coat of the lip gloss from e.l.f. A burning sensation, but you know, it tastes like the original lip gloss. Like the first time when we had a lip gloss, the idea that comes in your mind, it tastes like that. But I don't see any plumping. Yeah, it just burns and it gives a little tingling sensation. It doesn't burn, but I mean the burn is a very like, you know, the mentholy burn that we get after eating some gum or something like that. That is the sensation I'm getting on my lips. And alright, it's been about 5 to 10 minutes now, and this is the final result. Yeah, I don't see a significant change in my lips size, even for like a little, not forget about an entire plumping operation kind of a thing. But yeah, this is a really beautiful gloss. However, lip plumping wise, I don't see anything. There is that sensation and the feeling, but it does nothing. So let's move on to the next lip plumper. It's from Too Faced. This is their lip injection extreme. I have the mini version. I think this was for about 1100 rupees. Again, I will leave the links for both these products in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. So yeah, so on this it's written as instant and long-term lip plumper. I don't know whether it's long-term and all of that. So there's nothing on my lips now. I'm gonna go ahead with the Too Faced lip injection extreme, and let's see. Ooh, this has more of a fruity fragrance. Okay. And it's completely clear. Can you guys see this? Yeah, it's completely clear. So yeah, and this does not have that problem. So even though if I put it like this, it's not gonna like bounce back. The e.l.f. one did bounce. So yeah, here goes nothing. I am gonna show you guys another close-up of my original lips. Okay. And I'm applying the Too Faced lip injection now. So I've applied like 1 coat of the lip injection on my lips, and yeah, I can find a little chilliness like on the lower portion, and slowly it's coming up. That's how I'm able to explain you guys. I'm so sorry that I can't explain it right. But okay, the e.l.f. one was much more subtle, but the lip injection is extreme. Like the name, it's extreme. I mean, my outlines of my lips are burning.
Oh my god, it's burning so bad.
Like I said, I do use this on a daily basis, but I think it's been about 10 days that I've used, so I've lost the ideology of how it feels on my lips, and it burns so bad. And oh my god, it kind of plumped my lips. Like the outer portions of my lips, like the outline of my lips, very lip line, is kind of red. Can you guys see on screen itself? I can clearly see it. I'm gonna come a little more closer so you guys can see. Yeah, can you guys see that? My outer portions are burning so much. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys one more close up. Okay, you guys can actually see my lips. Like now when I'm moving my lips, like when I try to shrink them, it hurts very much. Oh my god, it's so... Move this, apply some lipstick, and then be back for my final thoughts to tell you guys whether I like both of them or lip plumping is my thing or no. Okay, I'm gonna apply quickly lipstick. I'm gonna apply a normal satin lipstick. This is the Miss Claire's Aqua Rouge lipstick. Alright guys, I am back with the normal lipstick, and the shade I'm wearing is 327 from Miss Claire. This is that Aqua Rouge lipstick. So I really like this lipstick, and because my lips are like completely dead, I want to kind of give them a little nourishment for now for this video. I'm going to remove this really quick and apply my Laneige. Like I'm going to lather it all over. Anyways, for the final thoughts about my e.l.f. lip plumping gloss versus the lip injection from Too Faced. Okay, the comparison in prices, they're almost similar. This is like 700 bucks and this is like 1100, so it's like 400 apart. But I would say if you're somebody who loves lip plumping, you can go ahead and try this, but put in mind, like keep in mind or remind yourself that this is gonna burn your lips real bad. I mean, it's not gonna burn, it's gonna give that plumping effect. So what I felt was, it kind of does not work on your entire lips. it works only on your outline. That is what it did for me. Only on your outer lining of your lips. It kind of makes them swell or bulge, and it kind of gets red over that, and the minute you apply your lipstick you can't even see there is any redness. But personally, if you're somebody who can take that little pain, it is gonna prick. It's gonna prick like a safety pin. That is what I felt. But it burns. Like the first time I put this on, I remember I'm like, something's happening to my lips and I have to be very careful. Another thing is it does give that plumping effect like it says. So if you're somebody who loves looking like, who wants that plump lips without any fillers or a temporary plump, I think giving this a shot would be really, really good. And yeah, coming to the e.l.f. lip plumping gloss. Now I really like this one because it is very subtle. It did not show any effects on my lips or I don't know what, but I did not see any much difference with this on my lips. But I really like the sensation it leaves. It's a very soft, mild, minty, fresh sensation, and this like burns like hot chilies. But apart from that, the lip plumping effect I did not see with this. But as a gloss, it is really, really good. You don't need anything else. So personally, I love both of them, but I will definitely keep trying this. I'm not a gloss person, but if I'm trying, I will use this. But on a daily basis, I love this. I'm gonna use this. However, I've been actually using this for about, I want to say 6 months to 7 months. I've been using this for about 2 months now. So yeah, that is what it is. That is all for this video. I really hope you guys actually enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel.